In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slowness and speed up TradingView with simple yet effective methods for enhanced performance. If you've been experiencing delays or any sluggish behavior while using TradingView, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into the solution. To begin with, let's start by addressing browser-related fixes. The majority of TradingView users access the platform via a web browser, and performance can be heavily affected by your browser's settings and state. First, ensure that your browser is up to date. Using an outdated browser can seriously impair performance due to compatibility issues. Whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or another browser, make sure you have the latest version installed. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, these can accumulate and substantially impact the speed at which pages, including TradingView charts, load and function. You can do this through your browser's privacy settings. Additionally, try disabling any unnecessary extensions. Too many active extensions can bog down your browser's speed, so consider turning off any that aren't essential to your TradingView activities. Now moving on to the TradingView app itself, if you're using it as your primary interface, sometimes the app might not perform optimally due to various settings or additional data you may have. Begin by checking whether there are any pending updates for the app, as newer versions often come with bug fixes and performance improvements. Also, like with the browser, clearing the app's cache can free up space and improve performance. You can usually find this option in the settings or storage options within your device's settings. Next, let's talk about making chart and network adjustments. Sometimes the cause of slowness is the way charts are configured or due to network issues. Within your TradingView settings, reduce the number of open tabs and charts to lessen the resource demand on your system. You can also adjust the time frame of your charts. Longer time frames demand less frequent updates and can aid in smoother performance. Meanwhile, check your internet connection. A stable and robust internet connection is essential for responsive chart updates. Running a speed test might reveal any issues that could potentially affect TradingView performance, thereby allowing you to contact your service provider if necessary. Finally, we'll look into some advanced options. These might not be necessary for everyone, but can be crucial for those who need TradingView running at its peak. Consider expanding your system's hardware capabilities if none of the previous suggestions alleviate the problem. This could mean upgrading your computer's CPU, adding more RAM, or investing in a faster SSD if you frequently use TradingView for more demanding activities like frequent trading or analysis with multiple data sources. Enhancing your system hardware can provide a significant boost in performance. Remember, ensuring your platform runs smoothly can substantially improve your overall TradingView experience, allowing you to focus more on analyzing and making more informed trading decisions. Whether it's making browser tweaks or hardware upgrades, these steps can ensure you get the best performance possible from TradingView. Happy trading!